Hi everyone and welcome to today's vlog. Today I'm being super productive. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you what I've been doing and stuff and what I'm doing, but yeah. I am going to go out with some of my friends now. We're just going to go for a drink or something just to say goodbye because 2 days left. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. Yeah. So all this time I've been out with my friends. I've been out much longer than I anticipated. But yeah, I'm now walking home. So today was meant to be goodbye to my friends. But turns out that we're not ready to say goodbye yet, so we're going to meet on Saturday as well, before I leave. Hi everyone, so it's Friday, my last full day here. I am leaving tomorrow. So yeah, basically today I'm going to be finished packing. Just I've got everything in my suitcase, but I want to arrange it better, add a few things in there. So this is the current situation. I just want to put all those in my suitcase. Over here I've got my to-do list. So my plan is basically to unpack and then pack everything again. I've also got a lot of other, well not a lot, I've got a few other bits and pieces that I want to put in. I just haven't gathered it all together yet. So as you can see, I've put my hair up. It's so hot in here. Well, I think the fact that I'm packing is making me feel really warm. So I've packed most of my things. There are still a few things on the bed that need packing. I'm just struggling a bit. I'm going to take a bit of a break. I'm probably going to go in the bedroom and sort out my clothes. Just go through my drawers and see if there's any last items of clothing that I want to take with me. I haven't got much space for a lot more, so yeah, I'm going to be a bit limited, but we'll see how that goes. Yeah. I also want to finish a present that I'm making for my friend. I'm making her open when cards, and I need to finish them off because I'm seeing her today and I'm not sure if I'll see her tomorrow, so I kind of want to give them to her today. And I've just realised I've got more things to pack and I don't have the space. The struggle is real. I just went to say goodbye to my great grandmother. So it's quite a while later. I am now going to finish packing and do my hand luggage as well, and then I'm going to go out for a walk and get some shots that I want for a video that I'm preparing. So yeah. So today's the day. Yeah, I'm out with Gabriella. I'm just filming some bits and pieces for a video that I'm preparing, and Gabriella's just out here with me. So it's almost time to leave. Probably the last time I'll be on this balcony for a while. The last time vlogging here for a while. Yeah, I vlog here quite a lot actually. Yeah, we're about to leave right now. It's like 5 o'clock in the afternoon. My flight is in 3 hours. I haven't vlogged much today simply because so much has been going on. So I have just woken up and I'm whispering because I don't know who's asleep and who's not. Yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for the next vlogs. Exciting stuff is coming, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video.